What is something I tell every single client to have done when having a home inspection? A radon test. It is mind-boggling that not every realtor pushes for this, but I always tell my clients if there's something you can have inspected, here are the things you could have inspected. And being in Michigan, we do have radon. So if you're having your home inspected and it has a basement, then 100% I think you should pay the $300 or $200, whatever it is, for the inspector to go in the basement. They set up the radon tester. It runs for 48 hours. The test comes back. It draws every hour, it draws a sample, puts it all together. If the level is 4 or under, the EPA says you're good, you don't need a radon mitigation system, and it's 4 and above, so I guess 3.99, you don't need it, and 4 and above, you should have a radon mitigation system installed in your basement. Basically, takes the radon out of the ground and pumps it out through a tube so it's not staying in your basement. And they range anywhere between $950 to $1,500 to install. So that's why I think every buyer should have one of those done during the time of inspection, because that is a safety and health concern that you should know about. And I think $200 spent on a test versus $1,200 on a system installed once you move in is better.